Hi everyone, this is Tushar and welcome to Learning Trends. So today I just want to let you know about a functionality which I forgot in my last lecture. I already told you how a slicer and a visual interact with each other. We can edit their interaction. Either we can delete the interaction between the filter and or a slicer and a visual, or you can build a filtration kind of a relationship between those, right? Because slicer is a filter kind of stuff, no? Its functionality is actually filter, right? But in this case I'm gonna tell you how two visual interact with each other. From the perspective of two visual, how many options are there in a edit interaction mode? So I'm on this visual. So here we have a table with months and the total AR balance. On this side we have months with their sales amount, right? So if I choose one month from the one visual, so that it will filter out the same month data in the another visual. You guys must have eager to know that is there any other functionality than this? So yes, we have another functionality which is called highlight. So I'm doing the same thing that I have done in my last video. Being selected this visual, I'm using the edit interaction mode. Now you can see the three option. In that part, I was able to see only the two options. Number one is none, and number two is filter. So this highlight mode, it's a new feature as we didn't see in the last video. So when we have the two visuals, so there are three ways of interaction between those two visual. Right. As you can see, there is a dark area on a filter side. That means the relationship between the two visual is filter type. So whenever we choose some month, so the same month will be seen on this side and other will be filtered out. Right now I have selected the filter option. What if I choose the highlight mode? So when I click on the highlight mode, now you can see that other months I'm able to see, but only the only the selected month is highlighted in this visual. So this is the feature of highlight, and you already know none means no relation between these two visual, right? So highlight is available. We have filter. I just wanted to tell you about this feature as a highlight. Guys, if you want to learn some other concept, please let me know in the comment section. And please do like this video if you really like the concept. If the concept was new to you, you guys can subscribe if you really want the interview questions. Till the time, bye bye and take care.